Over the edge. That's one of the final parts of the 120 sign run, and there's a couple of ways to make the bridge and fill the cube, and I'm gonna show it to you. The first thing, the first strat, which is something like that. So you make cubes to have this cube and this part available for dragging to here. So drag everything, go here, drag to here, walk, and here you can do a media jump to go here and drag everything back. You don't need a lot of dragging to get some cubes because there's tons of cubes here, and you just 1 second of dragging will get you way enough cubes that's needed for here. A second strat that I really like, which is this one. I need to fill this, which is not that slower, and it works just fine. Which is filling everything until you're able to cross, like this. And here you need to use your media jump correctly and land everything right. There's some ways to cross everything by putting some cubes here, but you won't have enough cubes after this, and it's not really efficient if you want to fill this cube, which you want. So, about the cube filling, it's something that I always despise. I don't know why. First thing, you'll need to get on top here, and to get on top, there's two ways. First one is to drag you, and the second way is to put 5 cubes. Whoops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it really depends on whether you're comfortable in the first one or in the second. I like the cube dragging because you can stop whenever you're comfortable with the position. And it works somewhat correctly, but you can get stuck like this, so that's why you have to put your cube, drag really fast, and then you're throwing it up. Now, to fill this cube, as you may know, you have to fill this part, and this part. You can, whoops. You can fill like this, but I do recommend filling with this sign on. Why? Because it will fill the lasers way faster than this, because if you're aiming at this, the cube will need to spread to the other side of the cube, and it's really long. But if you're doing this like that, I've cut all the pieces and I'm good to go. The second part is a bit slower, and you need to make sure that everything lands correctly, and you have to wait a bit more. And I think I'm right on this. Yep. The problem is this laser, and you have to wait a lot for this to work. And finally, the last bit is this part, which is the same timing as the first one, but you don't have to do anything to land it. You just need to fit it and aim for the door. So, if we're doing this in real time, that's how it's done. Here we are. And I think I'm perfect on the second one. So that's how you do over the edge and cube filling. And Enjoy!